In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Figma file so others can edit it. This is perfect when you're working with a team, a client, or anyone who needs to make changes to your design. First, open the Figma file you want to share. Once the file is open, go to the top right corner and click on the Share button. A sharing window will appear. From here, you can invite people by entering their email address. After adding the email, make sure to change the permission from Can View to Can Edit. This allows them to fully edit the design instead of just viewing it. You can also share the file using a link. In the same sharing window, find anyone with the link and set the permission to Can Edit. Then copy the link and send it to your collaborator. At any time, you can manage access by reopening the Share panel to remove users or change permissions. That's it. This is how you share a Figma file for others to edit quickly and safely. Subscribe for more short and helpful Figma tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.